Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove top searches from Netflix. Now, Netflix does not have a feature that allows users to remove or clear their top search history directly. Now, Netflix tends to focus on providing personalized recommendations based on your viewing and search history rather than enabling you to delete specific search items. Here are some steps you can try it if you want to remove top searches or clear your Netflix history. So in order to remove your individual title, so first thing what you can do is you can remove individual title. You can remove specific titles from your viewing history which can indirectly affect your top search history. To do this, you need to go to your web browser and then log into your Netflix account from there. So make sure that you're already logged in from your web browser. After that, it's going to direct you to the home page. On this page, click on the tab bar icon located right on top. After that, click on accounts. As soon as you click on account, it's going to direct you to the account information page. Right over here, you need to scroll down and go to profile and parental control. Over here, you need to select the profile for which you want to remove the titles. So select the profile. After you click on it, you'll be able to see a variety of options underneath. Scroll down a bit and to remove your viewing history, now scroll down to viewing activity, click on the view button. Next to it, you'll see a list of titles you've watched. To remove the title, click the X button all across next to it, just like that. As you can see that this particular title has been removed from your watch history or your viewing history. So this is how you can do it. Apart from that, you can also wait for updates. So Netflix top searches and recommendations are based on your viewing and search history, and perform new searches. The top searches will automatically adjust over time. Apart from that, if none of these seems to be working, you can create a new profile, and now this may be able to provide a guidance or address your concern. So that is how you can remove top searches from Netflix. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.